Hello all, welcome to my channel. My name is Bailey and today I'm going to be showing you how I created this kind of soft gold but slightly like just soft smoky eye. So it's gold but it's a little bit smoky but it's still soft and glamorous, but I just wanted to create this, and this video is actually in collaboration with Lundyn Marshall. We wanted to kind of do New Year's eye look. I chose to do gold, so I believe she's doing silver, so I will try to link her video below best I can so you can go check hers out after you go watch mine. But yeah, so I'm just going to zoom in and show you how I created this look. Alright, so I started with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk because I knew this look was going to be a little bit softer, so I wanted to give it the best chance of really showing up, especially since I'm so fair. So I started off by taking this all over my lid. And I did try to cover the area pretty well. And then I tapped it out with my finger just to make sure it would work as best as it could. I noticed I got a little spot back there. Now I will say this look would look 10 times more glamorous with like a gold glitter on top. I just don't own one. Let's go ahead and get started with the lid color. Alright, so my lid is a combination of a few different palettes. So what I'm going to say here is you need some sort of gold, whether you want it to be metallic, shimmery, some sort of gold shadow to go all over your lid. And I'm actually going to end up mixing it with another shadow on top. But what I went in first was my BH Cosmetics Gilded palette. This is the Glamour Reflection. And I went in with this shade on the bottom all over my lid, and I just patted it onto that NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. This really helps the gold stand out and pop, especially if you're fair like me. It's going to help it show up even more intense. So I'm going to do my best to just get this all over my lid. Now, what I did to kind of make it pop is I went into another palette. I got a metallic white shadow. Basically, this is just to put on top of it to give it just a little more glow. And I'm going to use my ring finger, and I'm just going to pick up that white color, grab my mirror from my other palette, and I just kind of put this in the very, very center. Just to give it a little bit more gleam. To kind of smoke out the outer part of my lid, I went into my Makeup Geek shadows, but basically you just need, you know, a brown and a black. And we're going to take that on the small crease brush. Alright, so I just have a small, not super fluffy because I want it to be somewhat precise crease brush. I'm going to start by just taking actually transition color. Oops, there's no mirror in there. This video's off to a wonderful start. Not really start, like middle. I'm going to start putting this in the outer part and just up into the crease slightly. And I'm choosing to do this just so my smoky shades don't get too crazy. Alright, now I'm going to take my dark brown and black, just tap into both of them at the same time, get a little bit on the tip of my brush, then oh so carefully stamp this and blend this out. The reason why I chose to do this in the outer corner is because without it, it looked just too soft. It does look very romantic, so if you're going for a nice soft romantic look, that would be perfect for you. I just wanted it to be slightly more smoky and dramatic because it is the holidays. And like I said, this would look even more beautiful with like a gold glitter on the lid. Take this just slightly into the crease, just ever so lightly blend it. And attempt to stay in my frame. Okay, I'm going to stop there for a second with that blending, and I'm actually going to grab a couple of just flesh toned shadows that are matte like cream shades, and kind of, actually I'm going to take this on a clean brush. Change my mind. So I'm going to take the matte cream shades on a clean, just blending brush, kind of blend out this area up here. And now this is start going from, you know, black to flesh toned, kind of a pale creamy shade. So what I did to combat that 5,000 steps later is I went back and just a little bit more of that transition shade just to help blend those two together. So just like this, very softly though, staying in that crease area. So once I have those kind of blended together, I wanted a lot of high shine on that brow bone. So I'm going to go back in with that white metallic shade that we used on our lid. and just kind of put it right up here. That's what I did over here to my brow bone. Build that up to your desired intensity. I'm gonna go back in with the smaller brush with that white shade. Just work on making that inner corner glow a little bit. And then we're gonna take that original gold shade from our lid. Same brush. Work that, whew, without getting powder all in your eye. Anybody ever do that? Take that along the middle. Then, for the outer part, we're gonna take those deeper smoky shades. Just gonna ever so slightly connect. So that is kind of the gist of how I created this look. It is using a lot of different products, but if you can find what you're kind of looking for, you should be fine. I'm just gonna take a little bit more of that shade right there, that white shade, whatever metallic shade you like. Pop it right there. And mix it with that gold a little bit. Now as far as liner goes, I'm gonna start by my tight line by using my Marc Jacobs liner. And this is different than Earthquake because my daughter was playing with it and then we lost it. So this is just a black shade. Just gonna go up on the top waterline very carefully. Alright, last but not least, I did my liner. We're just gonna take a mascara, whatever mascara you like. I'm out of breath because I kept having to go back upstairs because I kept forgetting products. We're just gonna load up the lashes, top and bottom. And I need to slow down before I get mascara all over my lid and my lower lash line. Okay. Alright you guys, so that is it for my gold New Year's Eve eye look. It's very nice, semi-romantic, just nice gold smoky eye with a little bit of a winged liner. I think you could take this even more over the top with like a gold glitter or false lashes and it would look absolutely beautiful. Don't forget to go check out Lundyn's video and support her as well. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit that notification bell. I upload every Tuesday and Friday, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!